Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a torque wrench. This is a torque wrench. You got the half-inch bolt there. You can also get a quarter or a 3/8. Depends which one you want. It's got reverse and forward, so you just turn it whichever you want. So, why do you need a torque wrench? To properly tighten your wheels. So this is in foots, as you can see, torque foot-pounds. So the Astro uses 110, so I'll show you how to set that. Okay, so you want to twist this. Be better if you have two hands, but I'm recording obviously, so I can't do it. So you want to twist this till it hits 110. So keep twisting, keep twisting. So what this is doing is tightening inside. Then 110 on this side, as you can see. So when it gets to that line, this is very hard. Okay, could do with a helper here, but it is what it is. So just twist it, twist it, twist it. Yeah, you should really do this with two hands, but it is what it is. I might pause the video and do it, put it to 110. So 110's there. So I'm going to keep twisting it until it hits 110. Okay, so now I twisted it right. Got up to 110. So all you have to do now, connect it with a socket at the end to your wheel and tighten your wheel. And when it hits the 110, it will click. And that's it, simple as that. It's tightened to the torque spec that you require. Now before you start this away, what you want to do is untighten it so there's no tension on this, and this lasts a long time. So just untighten it this way, backwards. So yeah, that's how you use the torque wrench. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.